Hi, and welcome to our FaciliTopics presentation. My name is MVaclavik. Over the next 10 minutes, I'm going to share with you some ideas about technology and the field of facility management. My journey to become a facility manager consultant began when I heard about the facility management industry for the first time. It was at the university here in the Czech Republic in 2009, I think. Since then, I've always tried to learn something extra about it, a bit more than just assignments at school. Then my professional career started as a sustainability consultant, mainly to help property and facility managers to achieve green building certification for their facilities. Nowadays, I'm an independent freelance consultant. What I usually do is to help facility managers to fix their problems or simply to improve their way of working, often by using new technologies. As I begin talking, I'd like to know that discussion on the topic of technology can vary considerably depending on your industry, organization, or application. First, I want to look back in time to analyze the technological improvement since I started using things. There is no doubt that introduction of computers significantly changed the way of studying or working, and actually our behavior too. I recall my first experience with a computer. I played the game Prehistoric 2. And being honest, sorry for that, but everything older than that seems to me sort of prehistoric now. On the other hand, nowadays, with certain technological improvement, things became smaller and more convenient, nicer but more sophisticated, and mainly digital with more functions. Having these available, plus very fast internet, which is coming soon, we can expect even faster changes. To explain and understand how technologies affect facility management, we need to look at it from three views, since facility management integrates space, people, and processes. For instance, space can be fully enclosed. I mean buildings of any kind, hospitals, schools, factories. But spaces can be also partially open, thinking of farms or swimming pools. And finally, space can be somehow unusual. What about a space station on Earth's orbit? That would be really high-tech. Looking from people's perspective, technology can impact communication, transportation, especially with new electric cars. And I can also think about technologies that can help to protect people's health and safety. For example, sensors detecting fire in buildings, or in labs, it can detect harmful substances in the air that people breathe. The last out of three are processes. I mean various supporting activities that facility managers do for their companies. For instance, a marketing campaign using social media, using 3D printers, and other activities depending on their specific tasks. As a civil engineer, I'm going to talk more about the built environment that provides space. Illustrations at the bottom should give you an idea how architects use technology to design buildings. Once I even experienced using 3D glasses, I think it was Oculus, to visualize the design intent of a building. But still, we have to keep in mind that paper and a pen are basic skills. I can guarantee you that most of great technological inventions started as a sketch on a paper. Buildings create space where people can meet and where processes take place. And that's why buildings are such a big matter for facility managers. In fact, buildings are full of technological systems. The main building systems are structural systems, systems for heating and cooling, ventilation system, electrical and lighting systems, and water systems including supply, sewerage, and drainage. What you can see is a method of creating a digital twin in building information model. This is how it looks, the building looks in real life, just to compare. All these systems consist of some mechanical parts, some electrical parts, wiring, and plumbing. Imagine a water circulation pump. It is a mechanical equipment connected to electricity and used for distributing water through a piping network. On top of that, there must be a control system, operated automatically or by the building's technical manager. These control systems are called BAS, which stands for Building Automation System, or in Europe, we use BMS, short for Building Management System. Of course, there are more systems that serve the building itself or its users. No matter what, the facility management personnel are usually responsible for correct functions of these systems. These systems can be, for example, for building security and access control system. We have in buildings also CCTV, which is video surveillance. There are also fire alarm systems, sprinklers, and extinguishers to control fire when it happens. These systems are usually automated. And last but not least, there are also information and communication technologies, which are likely to be changed from cables to Wi-Fi. Now I want to present to you this soft technology for facility management, the Integrated Workplace Management System. New technologies known as cloud have evolved software used for facilities management. Cloud technology can be understood as a remote powerful computer with a large storage for data, which are transmitted through the internet. And this remote station can be actually accessed from more computers at the same time, from tablets and smartphones, because it is online. In fact, this is a real game changer for many industries, not the FM. And this is what I understand as the digital revolution. So how does it work? Good understanding is better on a larger scale. Let's imagine being the principal facility manager for Walmart. I've done my homework already. I found there are 4,756 stores across the United States. As the principal facility manager, I might have a simple task. I want to know how much energy and water each store uses, how much waste it generates, if maintenance and repairs are not too expensive, and if customers are satisfied. Using telephones and emails seems really impossible to manage it, right? Therefore, this single integrated workplace management system helps to gather and manage data easily, even on a large scale. And I love working with it. When I happen to use this software, I take it simply as a computer game. As a young professional, I'm truly excited about rapid technological improvement, which brings new challenges in my personal life, but mainly it offers new solutions at workplace. There are digital innovations, artificial intelligence, virtual reality, clouds, Internet of Things, and some others. The question is, what will the future built environment look like? And we shall see if one day all people on Earth will have the same opportunity to study, to work, to do shopping, or simply to live in smart buildings full of technologies. And on this note, I'd like to conclude my FaciliTopic. The pace of technological improvement seems faster every year, if not faster every day. Maintenance of building technological systems is a hard work for facility managers. And finally, facility management software and programs are of a great help, which is sometimes inevitable. Thank you for listening to this FaciliTopic on technology. FaciliTopics are short lessons on the facility management industry, intended to give you an overview of one topic. For more FaciliTopics or to learn more about FaciliTon, visit www.fmpipeline.org. This is Martin MVaclavik. Thanks for joining me.